Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're trying to update your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26 update, then here you are having this type of problem, unable to check for updates. Then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this problem if you're having this issue while updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26 update. So now let's get started how you can easily fix this problem. So first of all, here you need to close this tab. So first of all, here you need to open settings in your iPhone or iPad device and make sure that you are using strong internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, then here you need to disconnect with Wi-Fi and reconnect it again. And if you're using mobile phone data, then here you need to turn off your mobile data and turn it on again. Then after that, here you'll need to again open settings in your iPhone device and scroll down and tap on general. So after that, here you'll need to tap on iPhone storage and make sure that your iPhone device has enough storage. If you don't have enough storage, then here you'll have to review your photos, videos and other apps, and here you'll have to delete some unnecessary data from your iPhone device, and also review your apps, install your iPhone device, and here you'll have to uninstall the unnecessary app from your iPhone or iPad device. So after that, here you need to go back and make sure that your iPhone device has enough charge. So if your iPhone device is not enough charge, then here you'll have to charge your iPhone device fully. Then after that, try again later and check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here make sure that your iPhone device is compatible with iOS 26 update. If your iPhone device is not compatible with iOS 26, then here you will not be able to update your iPhone device to the latest version. So you can check from Google which devices are compatible with iOS 26 update. So after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here again open setting, then tap on general. Then after that, scroll down here. Then here you will need to make sure that your date and time is correct and the set automatically is turned on from here. So make sure that your iPhone device date and time is correct and the set automatically is turned on and the time zone is selected correctly from here. So after that, check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, then here you'll have to simply open Safari browser, and here you'll have to check that the Apple system status is working properly. If here is any problem, then here you'll need to wait until it fixed, then try again later and check that the problem fixed or not. So if you're having still this problem, again open settings, then scroll down, then tap on general, then scroll down all the way, tap on transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. After that, here you need to enter your iPhone passcode. Then after that, hopefully after all these settings, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to update your iPhone device to the latest version. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.